Welcome to Cyber Tackle YouTube channel. My name is Cota Ojiro, the manager of Cyber Tackle web store. We are going to broadcast about profile, feature, and usage of a fishing tackle each time with Azusa the fishing gang. Azusa is the craziest pro angler here in Okinawa, Japan. We are going to pick up fishing tackle and talk about it. If we find out it's an amazing fishing tackle, maybe we are going to sell it in our web store. If we find out it's a horrible fishing tackle, maybe we are going to throw it away or destroy. Bottom line, we are honest for fishing tackle. Thank you for watching. See you guys later.